Alright boys, so today is the day we're gonna go pick up the Lamborghini.
Alright boys.
Alright boys.
Alright boys.
Alright boys. Alright boys.
No introduction needed, but girls still ask on my name is tryna pretend they don't know who see us. Like anytime I get on that mic, I don't cover 100 regions. Sweden, Norwegian, New Zealand, Australian, Arab, Armenian.
Yo, what's good YouTube? In this video, I'm buying a Lamborghini Huracan.
If we see blue lights out from the box, we're not gonna stop.
Now, to add pressure to this video, boys, my mum absolutely hates the idea of this Lamborghini. So you've got to watch until the end for her reaction. But without further ado, boys, let's go pick up my best friend Cameron, who's also going to be buying his dream car, and let's get into my first ever vlog.
Let's go. Hopping off a plane to a back, 100 times platinum, fuck a plaque. Bulletproof, the tires run flat. Cut throat, I give him one chance. Slaughter out and gave him one band.
Alright boys, we've arrived at the first dealership we're coming to see, where Cameron's gonna be buying his dream car.
I got 30 bands up, and the bitch up in a headlock. Dead stock kicks, and the bitch gon' make the bed rock. Lead hot, nigga trip on me, I bet his head pop. He looked up, all he seen was a red dot. He stick, hot stick, round with a mop stick, and going back and forth. The song we on, ops quick, freak bitch.
Come on, girl, it's giving you a seatbelt. You trust now? You trust now? Yeah, come on, bro.
Alright boys, so Cameron has now just officially bought his dream car.
Gas, boys, it's fucking insane, I can't lie.
And now it is time for me to get the Lamborghini so we can race and go head to head. We're gonna race!
Fuck. That's on 808, yeah, step and fade away, I'm shooting shit up. 66.
Watching this video back makes me realize my life looks awesome, but it wasn't always like that. Growing up in high school, I found it really hard to fit in with people and make friends. I even used to get bullied because I was the one making those weird Fortnite videos. Which is why I want to say never give up looking for that dream group of people that you love hanging out with. There's actually another reason I'm showing you this. Because all my friends having these amazing, beautiful cars actually left me having the slowest one of them all.
Alright boys, I'm getting bullied now for having such little horsepower.
Oh, you know me, boys. It was time for an upgrade.
Alright boys, so today is the day we're gonna go pick up the Lamborghini. I'm super excited. We're literally about to leave off now for a 3-hour drive. Dad's behind the camera today, and he's going to be recording most of what happens, so shout out to him. But honestly, boys, I'm gassed. Can't wait to get on the road and go pick up this car. It's going to be insane. It's going to be legendary. I've waited for this moment for 10 years.
Boy, if you don't get...
So I cannot wait to go see what the car looks like and do the grand reveal for you boys watching at home. But let's get into the road trip, and I'll see you there. So the ride has come. We're about to leave off. I'll see you boys in a bit. Alright boys, so we're an hour away from the destination. I did take a bit of a nap on the way, I can't lie, as I literally couldn't sleep last night, so I was a bit tired. But I'm so excited, we're an hour away from getting a Lamborghini in my hands. I cannot wait, boys, it's going to be so exciting, and I'll see ya when we get there. Alright boys, so we've now made it to the dealership. As you can see, there is something right behind me under a huge sheet, which may or may not be the Lamborghini. I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you now, it is the freaking Lamborghini, of course. Mirrors over here, boys, as well. This is the main attraction today. We've got the Lamborghini Huracan. Dang! So, to me!
So this is where the video took a dark turn for the worst, because everything that could have gone wrong, went wrong.
Alright guys, so this is just some proof to anybody thinking that I'm financing this car and I can't actually afford it. As you can see here, 130,000, hello doggy, 130,000 pounds, 723 pounds, we are now about to send. Next, you've hit your spending limit.
I mean, we went to try and pay the people for the car, and because I was trying to be all awesome and send them the money in cash for 130,000, obviously the bank were like, no, that's not happening.
You need of 130,000.
You're gonna have to speed that up for me because.
And then I had to sit on the phone for ages trying to convince them to let me send my own money, which is so weird.
This is my money. I should be able to spend it.
They ended up telling us it was going to take 5 to 6 hours to let the payment go through.
The dealership isn't going to be be open for another 6 hours.
So of course I ended up working my magic and smooth talk the lady.
There's gotta be something. You're the support, you know. You're not giving me any support otherwise, and it's just useless.
Okay, let me pop you on another shot. Let me see.
And then once we got the payment through, things were starting to look a little bit better.
Boys have Lamborghini?
But then, of course, like I said, everything went wrong.
Alright boys, so some bad news has just happened. A warning light has come up on the dash about half an hour into driving, saying that the oil temperature needs to be checked urgently and we need to turn the engine off and check it.
So we basically just topped up the fuel and then that basically fixed it, I think.
It didn't fix the problem, and it got worse.
Alright boys, we've ended up getting another oil light. I don't know, I might drop it. Ugh, this thing looks a bit gross.
Thank God my dad knows how to fix a car, because otherwise I would have been cooked. I mean, I genuinely think I'd have been sat there on the side of the road, broken down, crying, shitting myself.
This is our last shot because we've used all the oil now. So if it happens again, we've got no more oil and we're cooked. But I think this time, fingers crossed, we should be good.
Alright boys, we are now approaching home. Now boys, it is time to get to Mum's reaction. Really don't think she's gonna like it. Well, matter of fact, I don't even think she's gonna come outside. Like, I generally don't think she's gonna pay any notice to this car. But we're about to see. Come on, Mum, here's the Lamborghini. What do you think? What do you think? What Bumblebee from Transformers? Okay, I was a little bit hurt by that one, so I decided to rev it and show her that it's definitely not a toy. Come on, rev it, Dad. Alright, that's for a lesson now. Let's take her for a drive.
Do we take her for a drive now? I think we have to take her for a drive. I think that's only right.
We'll just go up here for now. Something just... I'm not gonna do it again, don't worry.
No, that's not good. Don't make it sound like that. No, don't do it anymore. No, don't do it.
Alright, now if you've made it this far in the video, let me grab your attention for 1 second. Now, obviously, the car is super awesome and it's always been a massive dream of mine. The problem is, this channel you guys are watching me on is my gaming channel that I've been doing for years. Everybody knows me as Whoods, and they don't actually know me. So I need absolutely everybody watching to support my movement that I'm about to make, which is that I'm officially going to be announcing the launch of my brand new channel. And for this to work out and not make me look like an idiot and a failure, I need every single one of you guys watching right now to go ahead and subscribe to this channel right here, which is going to be my brand new channel. I'm also going to have it linked in the description so you can find it easier. On this channel, you can expect to see me posting more car content with my Lamborghini. I also have a Porsche, I even have a golden Golf, and I have an insanely old BMW. Now, the new channel is actually going to be about me. Now, like I said, guys, I've taken the biggest gamble on this, and it might not work, because everybody said that I should have used my money wisely and invested it in a house. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm still going to keep this channel going. I'm still going to keep uploading Fortnite content for you boys. Don't worry, nothing is changing around here. Just on the new channel, I'm going to be uploading more vlogs that you guys can expect. So make sure to subscribe. But it's now been over a week since I've bought the Lamborghini, and it's safe to say that my life has completely changed forever. People in my local village now refer to me as the young guy that drives the Lamborghini. And the respect that I've gained from so many people recently has completely changed. And I've had to adjust to a lot of changes in my life ever since I bought the car. For example, the biggest one is the attention change. So some people might not be able to actually deal with that when you buy a Lambo. But to be honest, it actually just makes me feel like an absolute superstar, which is why I want to start this new channel, which you guys all need to subscribe to. Like I said, I'm probably only ever going to promote this channel like this one time on this channel, and it's going to go back to Fortnite content. But this new channel, I'm going to start growing it, and I want to show you guys my life, and I want you guys to all follow along with me. Let me know what you thought of my first ever vlog, and this video needs to go viral. So as best as you boys can, please like the video, comment on it, share it around to people, start posting it on your stories, do whatever you guys can to get this out there and get this message to more people, because it needs to be heard. This is so important to me, and I love every single one of you out there that's ever supported me. I can't thank you enough. You've seriously made my dreams come true. But it is now time for me to finally post this video. Whether it goes viral or not, I'm always going to want to look back on this video and just appreciate how much I had at such a young age.
with that being said, boys, I love every single one of you. Make sure you go subscribe to that new channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.